In this video, I want to show you how you can transfer your Hostinger account to another person. So let's say for some reasons, you need to transfer the account that you already have on Hostinger to another completely different person, maybe so they can manage it and all of that. This is how you go about it. The first thing is that you want to come into your Hostinger account, and we have two ways of doing this. The first one is account sharing. So you can basically grant access to people to your account. So if you come to grant access, you have what you can do. You can give them access as an admin where they can manage services and make purchases using the added payment method, or you can add them as collaborators where they can manage services but they can't make purchases. So if you wanted to add them as admin, you can do this, and you just put the email address here. They'll be sent an email, and once they verify the email, they will have access to the Hostinger account. But let's say you want to do a full transfer. You want to give them everything so that they can have access to everything. The way to do that is you want to come to your profile right here, and you want to come to your account information. From your account information, this is where you find your name, your address, and the phone number, which you can edit if necessary. But if you scroll down here, this is where you have the account settings, and this is where you can change the email. So basically, you want to change the email to their own email. So if you click on the email here, you get this box where you can put the new email. So I put the new email that I want to have access to this account, and then I'm going to click on continue. So I need to add the password to this account, and then I click send verification. So a verification email will be sent to the initial email, which is my email in this case, so that I can approve the transfer. So I'm going to go to my email, and then I'm going to approve it. So I have the email here, and it says that you have requested for your email to be changed from this to that on my Hostinger profile. I want to verify it. It says by clicking the link below, I can verify it, and this verification link is valid for only 1 hour. So I'm just going to click on verify. So the email was verified successfully, and they can now get access to this account. So this is how you can change ownership of a Hostinger account. And I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Noel. I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.